Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Brother sewing machine model 2129. First, remove the plug, remove the pressure foot, and then the needle. And then we remove the slide plate by removing the screw. And then we remove the screw here at the back. And then remove this extension. This is also a storage for the parts. And then we just clean with a brush here on the top of the feed dog. And over here. And then we open this one. And then remove the bobbin case. And open this lever latch. And this is the shuttle ring. And remove the hook. And then we clean up here. And then on a piece of cloth, drop an oil. And then just wipe it over here. And wipe the hook. And the shuttle ring. And to return, the hook, this should be at the top and the opposite of the hook post. It looks like this. And then the shuttle ring, this one should be at the top and this one should be at the bottom. And then return this latch lever to secure the shuttle ring. And return this bobbin case. So to put this thread on the bobbin case, this should be like this. The thread should enter on this slot here, and it goes over here. And then return the shuttle, this bobbin case inside the shuttle race. And close this. And return the extension. Then return the slide plate. And to oil this, we have to put 2 to 3 drops of oil in this side. Over here. And here. And clean the length with a brush. After we return all the parts that we remove, plug the machine. Turn on the light and then try several stitches to get the oil inside and to get it out right. If you are using the machine an hour every day, it is recommended to clean the sewing machine weekly. And if you use it often, we have to clean it every day. So that's the way how to maintain this brother sewing machine model 2129. LS 2129. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.